Hi everyone. Have you ever wanted to start a YouTube channel but felt nervous about showing your face on camera? Don't worry, you don't have to. You can create an awesome YouTube channel without ever appearing in your videos, and it's super easy with the help of AI. AI is like a smart assistant that does a lot of the hard work for you, like writing scripts or picking visuals. So, what is a faceless channel? It's a YouTube channel where the creator stays off screen and uses things like pictures, animations, or videos to tell their story. This is perfect if you're shy, don't like being filmed, or just want to keep things private. Plus, you don't need fancy cameras or lights, just a computer and some free tools. I'm here from A Mastery, and today I'm going to walk you through every step to make your own faceless YouTube channel. By the end of this video, you know exactly how to get started and have fun doing it. Ready? Let's dive in. Why should you make a faceless channel? Well, for one, it's a lot of fun. You don't need to worry about how you look or sound on camera. Instead, you can use cool pictures, drawings, or even animations to share your ideas. It's also super simple because you don't need a big setup, just your imagination and some free tools. Think about this, you could make videos in your pajamas and no one would ever know. Tons of people watch faceless channels every day. For example, there are channels that explain science stuff with fun animations or ones that tell spooky stories with creepy images and music. These videos get millions of views, not because of who's in them, but because the content is so interesting. And here's the best part. In 2025, faceless channels are growing fast because AI makes it easier than ever. You don't need to be a tech genius or a movie star, just someone with a cool idea. So, let's figure out what your channel could be about next. Every YouTube channel needs a big idea. What's yours going to be about? Maybe you love video games and want to share tips or reviews. Or perhaps you're crazy about animals and could talk about fun facts like why cats purr. It's totally up to you. Not sure where to start? Think about what you enjoy watching on YouTube or what you're good at. If you love cooking, you could make recipe videos with pictures of yummy food, no face needed. Or if you're into history, you could tell stories about pirates or ancient cities using maps and old photos. Since your channel's faceless, you'll use visuals like cartoons or stock videos instead of showing yourself. Need some inspiration? Check out what's trending on YouTube or ask your friends what they'd watch. Once you've got your idea, write it down. You're ready for the next step. Now it's time to write your video. What will you say? Don't worry if you're not a writer because AI can help. There's a free tool called ChatGPT that's like having a super smart writing buddy. You just tell it what you want, like give me 5 fun facts about dogs, and it writes it for you in seconds. Here's an example. Let's say your channel is about space. You could ask ChatGPT, write a short script about why the moon looks different every night. It might say something like, the moon changes because of how sunlight hits it. When it's between the earth and the sun, we can't see it. That's a new moon. As it moves around, more light shines on it until we get a big bright full moon. Then you can tweak it to some more like you. Maybe add a joke or a fun fact. It's so easy. You can make it short or long, serious or silly, whatever fits your channel. Once your script's ready, we'll turn it into a video. For a faceless video, you need visuals, like pictures or short video clips to go with your words. Lucky for us, AI can help with that too. There are free tools like InVideo and Pictory that make this part a breeze. You just paste your script into them and they pick out matching images or videos. For example, if your script's about dogs, they might add clips of puppies playing. InVideo is especially cool because it's free to start and you can customize everything. You upload your script, pick a style, and it suggests visuals for you. Want a voice to read your script? You're already using Play Handy, which is perfect. It turns your text into a natural sounding voiceover. You can choose a friendly voice, a serious one, or even something fun depending on your video's vibe. Once you've got your visuals and voice, these tools mix it all together into a finished video. It's like having a movie director in your pocket. You can even add text on the screen, like fun facts or titles, to make it pop. Almost done. Before you share your video, let's make it even better. You can use a free app like CapCut to add some finishing touches. Try putting in background music, something happy for a fun video, or maybe something mysterious if it's a spooky story. You can also cut out any boring parts to keep it exciting from start to finish. When it looks perfect, it's time to share it with the world. Upload it to YouTube with a catchy title, like my first AI dog video. Pick a thumbnail, a picture people see before they click that's bright and fun. Maybe it's a cute dog or a cool space image. Hit upload and boom, your video is live for everyone to enjoy. Want more people to watch your videos? Keep making them. Try posting a new one every week. AI can help you come up with ideas fast. Share your videos with your friends and ask them to spread the word. Here's a tip. Reply to comments on your videos. If someone says, "Cool video," say thanks and ask what they'd like to see next. You can also make playlists, like grouping all your dog videos together so people keep watching. It's like building a fan club. Growing a channel takes time, but stick with it and you'll see it take off. Wow, you just learned how to make a faceless YouTube channel with AI. How cool is that? It's so easy and fun. There's no reason not to try it. Starting a channel is like planting a little seed. It might take a while to grow, but with some patience and creativity, it'll turn into something amazing. So grab those free tools and make your first video today. If you want me to make full free course on it on YouTube, I need 1000 subscriber and 100,000 views on this video, and then I will make a full free course on it. If you like this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to AI Mastery for more tips. I can't wait to see what you create. See you next time.